Hi, my name is Anna Rose Sink. Welcome to Garber Hall. Come on in and check out my room. Right here we have our main lobby area. This is where we do a lot of our programming. This is where you'll see a lot of your RAs hanging out while they're on duty, and some residents will hang out over at the TV. This is my room, come on in. So being an RA, I actually get the bigger beds because we can combine the two beds, and I find it more comfortable for me to put down a carpet or a rug. And I have just the one desk. Normally there'll be two desks for each resident to use, and this is home. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed seeing my home. Bye.